Hello and welcome to another episode of the Ishan Aurora Experience. Episode 32, boys and girls. That is right, we survived that ordeal. There was no war. Touchwood, bhai. Kuch nahi hua. Couple of times the ceasefire was violated. But other than that, nothing really happened. Which, as I predicted, it wouldn't happen because Mystic Mac strikes again. But today we have a more optimistic show for you guys. Firstly, I would like to start off today's episode with the discussion of languages. अभी देखो, I was talking to a friend of mine on call, ठीक है, and उसने बोला कि हिंदी लैंग्वेज में जो मजा है गाली देने का वो इंग्लिश में है ही नहीं. एंड हिंदी में अगर आप गाली देते हो तो उसके अंदर ज्यादा पावर रहता है. देयर इज मोर पंच इन योर गाली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंड वी वर जस्ट हैविंग दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन ओनली, अगर आप किसी को बोलते हो योर मदर्स हो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लाइक आई एम ऑल्सो सेइंग दिस. बट अगर आप किसी को बोलते हो तेरी माँ रंडी, साले रंडी कैसे बोला तूने मेरी माँ को, इट्स द सेम सेंटेंस. इट इज द सेम सेंटेंस. या फिर अगर आप लाइक यू विल नोटिस दिस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, girls are going to be like OMG, I'm in my whole era, oh my god, ha 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 ha. No girl is going to say I'm in my randi era, ha ha, oh my god, she's such a hoe. You won't call, you'll see girls saying this na ke, oh my god, my friend, she's such a hoe, yeah. And it's almost like वो compliment कर रहे हैं उसको, but you won't see them telling her अबे क्या रंडी है ये. नहीं बोलेगा कोई भी. Why, it's the same word, it is the same word. but इतना इतना वेटेज है उसके अंदर कि अगर आप किसी को रंडी बोल दो तो भाई तो मतलब उसमें भी पर देर आर बाइफिकेशन. आप अगर किसी को बोल दो, इफ यू से के ओ माय गॉड शी इज एन ओनली फैंस मॉडल, सो मच रिस्पेक्ट, करियर वाली है वो, उसको बोल दो भाई ये कोठे पे बैठती है, ये धंधे वाली है, ची, यक. द सेम थिंग अगर आप अगर इफ यू वांट टू टेक इट नेक, इफ यू वांट टू टेक इट अ स्टेप फर्दर, किसी को बोल दो रंडी छोड़ के रांड है ये रांड, ची, सेम चीज. लाइक ओ माय गॉड शी सच अ होटू, अबे रांड, यक. हिंदी लैंग्वेज में ये भी रहता है ना, यू कैन से आप, आपको, तुम्हें, एंड देन फिर अगर ज्यादा ही आपको मतलब तू, तेरे को. इंग्लिश में इज जस्ट यू, दैट इज इट, जस्ट यू. No wonder there is like a feeling of अपनापन when you're talking to someone in Hindi or in your native tongue. नेटिव टंग से याद है ये क्या हो रहा है भाई महाराष्ट्र में, मुंबई में. people are saying मराठी बोलो मराठी बोलो. I understand, and as someone who's 1/4 Maharashtrian, what the fuck are you all doing? I have a grandmother who's Maharashtrian, and I don't think that is a fair representation of the Maharashtrian people. भाई मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड बैंगलोर में होता है तो ये सब समझ में आता है, बट मुंबई वी आर बेटर देन ऑल ऑफ दिस. यू वांट टू मेक फन ऑफ पीपल, मेक फन ऑफ द एरिया दैट दे लिव इन. ची, थाने, ई, वो तो मुंबई में भी नहीं है. ये क्या मराठी में बात करो, मराठी में बात करो ब्रो. ऑलरेडी हम लोगों का बहुत अच्छा रैप है ऑफ बीइंग अ सिटी दैट इज इंक्लूसिव, that brings in and accepts people from outside. We can't act like this. We are better than this. Bhai, make fun of people where they stay. Chi, you stay in Lokhandwala. Ew. Also, I just realized this. So I'm just gonna continue with this. First 10 minutes. 10 minutes, nahi 2 minutes. I did it without this, but ठीक है, now I will continue with these shades. भूल जाता हूँ यार मैं भी. पर ये मराठी बोलो ब्रो, मेरे को तो बहुत फकौल लगता है ये यार. मतलब ठीक है यार, नहीं आता रहेगा किसी को, इट्स ओके. Obviously there's a lot of history attached to that particular subject which I don't want to discuss because this is not a political podcast, and whatever it is, I don't want to face consequences. अजीब है, but अभी ये पॉलिटिकल पॉडकास्ट से याद है भाई, बियर भाई साहब मेरे को सही में, मैंने उस पर वीडियो भी बनाया ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल, बट मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता भाई बंदे का ये, लाइक क्या चूतिया आदमी है वो इतना इतना डिक राइडिंग करता है वो, इतना ट्रेंड राइडिंग, इतना मतलब मेरे को बहुत भोसड़ी वाला लगता है वो भाई, बहुत कतई चूतिया आदमी लगता है वो। उसने स्टेटमेंट बोला अबाउट ही इज अपोलोजाइजिंग टू द पाकिस्तानी पीपल। पहले तो तू चुप रहना भाई, तेरे को क्यों ओपिनियन देना है। एंड उसके कंटेंट, फक डूड, कंट्रोवर्सी, जो कंट्रोवर्सी भी नहीं बोलूंगा मैं, ये जो सिचुएशन चालू था, वॉर लाइक सिचुएशन, उसमें इतना कंटेंट मिल किया है ये भड़वे ने, कितने रील्स डाले, कितने रील्स डाले। एंड ये मादरचोद बोल रहा है कि मैंने आई हैव गॉटन 51 पीपल who are of army background on my podcast। अरे भोसड़ी के, तूने उपकार नहीं किया है किसी पे। what the fuck is your problem? You think the army people give a shit about your stupid podcast? You are benefiting off of them. I don't understand how is this guy famous. I can't understand, bro. ठीक है, India's got lated में जो भी हुआ वो unfortunate circumstances थे, पर तू इतना मादरचोद आदमी है, देखो कुछ समझ में नहीं आया कैसे क्या करना है। You fucking idiot or what? And then फिर उसके बाद you go on Piers Morgan, bro. That's an international platform, and then you get a printout of Osama bin Laden, bro. What the fuck are you planning on doing? Just say what you have to say and get it over with. The best thing that he could have done is just say कि वो insensitive comment था, for the first time just apologize. What is wrong with you, bro? कैसे इसका पॉडकास्ट चल रहा है, क्या गधा है ये, इसको मार नहीं पड़ी है क्या बचपन में? I genuinely, I don't understand this man, bro. Like I feel बहुत लोग aspire करते to go on his podcast. Before I go on his podcast, I'll tell him, bro, you're a dumb fuck, bro. I don't understand. What is wrong with you, idiot? मेरे को सही में नहीं समझ में आता, ब्रो। बेयर बाइसेप्स, who are you justifying it to? You man child, why can't you just keep your mouth shut? You are genuinely a, you are like a white blonde girl who just happens to be famous. You are like Kim K without the sex tape shit. Kim K is more qualified than you. You're some dumb bitch who fucking figured it out. Just keep your fame. You, भाई तेरे को ये सब करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, you fucking idiot. And then don't milk this controversy. It's fucking, dude, dumb fuck, bro. I don't understand this guy. And comments बंद कर दिया। क्योंकि ये तेरी गांड लग रही है तो भाई let us all enjoy. Why did you switch off the comments? Anyways, moving on to better things. Virat Kohli has retired from Test cricket. And see, I'll be very honest. मैंने Test cricket in generally international cricket देखना बंद कर दिया था after MS Dhoni retired, because I was a very big MS Dhoni fan. I started watching 2011 के World Cup से. I've been a very big MS Dhoni fan, one of my favorite players. So once he retired 2020 में, I was like, बस bro, मेरे को और नहीं देखना है. But the other player that I feel that I resonated with more, not resonated, but I liked watching was Virat Kohli, and in the sense of K, I believe that if you're playing any competitive sport, you need to be aggressive. Sportsmanliness, gentlemanness, being like a, not being a sore loser, भाई मेरे को ये सब में कुछ विश्वास नहीं है. I feel if you're winning, or if you believe in winning, and if you're playing a sport, I think you should only play it if you have any desires of winning it. There is no point in being a gracious loser. I don't believe in that uh, way of thinking. And I felt that Virat Kohli, whenever he captained, a lot of people thought it was overkill. I genuinely didn't mind it. I was like, you need to play the game like this. You need to be aggressive. So that was one cricketer where I was just like, bro, let's fucking go. This is how you're supposed to do it. So he's retired from Test cricket. That's it. That's all I have to say. I think Virat Kohli is a phenomenal player. I feel Virat Kohli showed what there is always a place for aggression, and you don't have to be a gracious loser. I think there is no merit in losing. I feel if you're playing a sport, I think you should play to win. One, you shouldn't play. That's it. Lastly, I would like to end this episode by saying I'm turning 25 next week. I don't know, bro. A lot of things are going on in my life, but if you've made it this far to this episode, I would just like to tell you this kid gets better, and this is a little bit of me breaking character, but I feel it gets better, and don't worry, better times are coming. Um, don't worry, you got this. I believe in you. With that said, the last thing that I would like to talk to you guys about is the Met Gala. I never मेरे को नहीं पता भाई Met Gala का क्या purpose है. Is it like a Broadway thing? Is it like a fashion show, something like that? I don't know. But Shah Rukh Khan debuted in Met Gala. Shit, he looked very old to me. Diljit was there. Diljit actually looked very good. I have no idea about fashion. I'm literally wearing like a black t-shirt and boxers while recording this. So the last person who should be commenting on fashion. Kylie Jenner looked extremely hot because she's Sydney Sweeney also looked extremely hot. दिलजीत के साथ कंट्रोवर्सी हुआ था because he wasn't given the necklace of the Maharaja of Patiala. But obviously, why will white people give back what doesn't belong to them? But he actually looked good. I feel he carried the outfit very well. I don't know the intricacy of it. I don't know the in in क्या word है यार? I don't know the complexity of the outfit, or like I'm not a fashion person or something like that. I just like the way he looked. That's it. That's it, boys and girls, for episode 32. If you like this, make sure you subscribe to the podcast everywhere. Uh, that's it. Subscribe to the YouTube channels. Follow me on Instagram. Follow the podcast on Instagram. I will see you guys in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night.